Hi guys, so my name is Destiny Spivey and my partner is Aniza Masood, and so for problem set 1 I chose to do letter A. Try not to mind anything up here. We're just going to focus on what's in this little bubble right here. So as you can see, for this problem it's going to be expressed in variables. So it's going to be a over x plus y plus b over z. I apologize if this looks like a 2. So for this problem, we want to cross multiply. So for this side, you would cross multiply a over x plus y by z on this side. And for this side, you would use this denominator, x plus y, to multiply by b over z. So not only do you do it for the denominator, but you want to do it for the numerator as well. As a result, here's what you would get. You would get az over zx plus 2y, adding or addition, bx plus by over zx plus zy. So the denominator would remain the same, but the top is slightly different. But as you can see, the letters coordinate, or they're similar to whatever you add it to. And for my final answer, you would get az plus bx plus by over zx plus y. So how we got zx plus y, you would cross out, similar, kind of like cross multiply. You do zx, cross out zx on both sides, and then you would just have zx plus y. Okay?
Hi, my name is Aniza Masood, and I am partnering with Destiny Spivey on this problem. And the problem that I chose to look at was letter B of problem set 2. Knowing that this is our base equation, which is 3x over x plus 2 minus 6 over x plus 5, based off of the first problem set, we must understand that we have to find a common denominator. And the way you would do this would be by multiplying x plus 5 by x plus 2 and do that to the numerator as well, and apply it to the other side as well, but instead it would be x plus 5 and the numerator would be x plus 5. As a result, you would get 3x squared plus 15x over x squared plus 2x plus 5x plus 10. This is our common denominator now. And you would subtract 6x plus 12 over x squared plus 2x plus 5x plus 10. At this point, all you must do is combine like terms, which is subtracting these two, and finding the answer, which would be 3x squared plus 9x plus 12 over x squared plus 7x plus 10. This is how you find the answer. Hi, my name is Aniza Masood, and I am partnering with Destiny Spivey on this final summative assignment. I'm choosing to look at problem set 3, letter B. Seeing that our equation right here is x squared minus 7x minus 60 over x squared plus 5x plus 45, I understand that we must find the factors of 60 and find the factors of 45 in order to find the answer. Understanding that the factors of 60 is 1 times 60, 2 times 30, 3 times 20, 4 times 15, and 5 times 12, we must find the two factors number that will allow us to get to negative 7. So understanding this, negative 12 plus 5 would give us negative 7. So I brought it down here and I did the 2 parentheses because x times x equals x squared, and we're going to be using the FOIL method. So x minus 12, and it's going to be times x plus 5. This gives us our factor on top of here. Understanding we have to do the same for 45, I found the factors of 45, but since we can't find the number for us to get to plus 5, you just leave the denominator the same. So it would be x squared plus 5x plus 45, and this is our answer.
Alright guys, so for this one, for problem set 4, I did letter B. So as you can see by our initial equation, we're going to do 10x plus 3 over x squared plus 20x plus 96, subtracted by 2 over x squared plus 10x plus 16. So right here, I just had to, so instead of cross multiplying, we had to factor for this equation. So for addition of 20, I had to do factors of 8 and 12. And for 10 and 16, I did 2 and 8. And so here's just a separated demonstration of what I did up here. So I did 10x plus 3, similar to what's up here, over x plus 8 in parentheses, x plus 12. Same thing over here, 2 over x plus 2 and x plus 8. So from there, I put everything together of what I was going to multiply. So I did, I put 10x plus 3 multiplied by x plus 2, subtracted by negative 2, multiplied by x plus 12 over the same number, so x plus 8, x plus 12, x plus 2. So you want to keep the denominator the same, but the only thing that I'm changing for this problem is the numerator. So you want to keep them the same. So like for this x plus 8, there's 2x plus 8, so all I needed was 1. I didn't need to duplicate this and put it for the denominator. So to multiply this, here's just a little extra math. So what I did was negative 2 plus 12 equals 24. 3 times 2 equals 6. 10 times 2 equals 20. 3 times x is 3x. 3 times 6 is negative 18. And then here's negative 2x. So what I got initially was 10x squared. Yeah, so I put 10x squared plus 23. So I did 10 times 2, which was 20. And I got 20. So, and then I added 3, which was 3 times x equals 3 times x equals 3x. So that's where the 23 came from. Plus 6, which was the 3 times 2 equals 6. And subtracting negative 2x. Minus 24 because of negative 2 times 12 equals 24. Therefore, my initial equation, my final equation was 10x squared plus 23x. I'm sorry, hold on. My bad, guys. So, I'm sorry for what I meant to say was, so going from here, so coming from this equation in my numerator example explanation, my final answer was 10x squared plus 21x minus 18 over x plus 8, x plus 12, x plus 2. Because you want to keep the denominator the same. The only thing we were changing was the numerator. All right. Thank you.